Hello and welcome! In this How to Draw video, we'll be drawing a very cute cat called Hello Kitty. That's right. So we hope you follow along with us and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yes!
Okay, let's go. Alright, so we've got our paper and got our marker. Alright, so we're going to draw Hello Kitty. Now we're just going to draw her head on this one, so it's going to be quite a big shape, or fill up the page here. So first thing we've got to start off with is drawing her bow. So she's got a little bow on the top of her head, so let's start that. So in the middle of the bow, or the knot, is a circle. Yep, and then each side has got a little shape like this. Yep. And then inside there's a little U shape like that. Okay, and we just copy that on the other side there like that.
And then we will do her big head.
Yeah. Alright, so they've got the bow done. Alright, so let's do her head. I think we'll start off with doing her ears. So she's got a kind of triangular shaped ears, but the edges or the corners are nice and rounded. So we're going to start one here behind her bow. So go up like that and just down like that. It's a nice shape there.
Like that and round like that.
Yep, and then we'll do the same on the other side. So we go up, a nice little curve on there, and then back down. Alright, so that's the two ears, and then we're going to draw the top of her hat. Oh, her head, sorry. Not her hat. She doesn't wear a hat. And it's just a bit of a curved line there. Okay, so next we're going to draw the rest of her head. Now her head is kind of roundish. It's not completely round. It's kind of a bit rectangular. So we've got rounded sides and the bottom's a little bit flat. So we'll just start here. Do a nice round shape like that. Yeah, and then we can just, I like to turn the page. Makes it easier.
And then connect to her bow.
Yeah, and then we draw the bottom of her face. It's a little bit flat. And then we join up around the other side there. Like that.
Like that.
Okay, and then let's draw her eyes. So she's got two round or two oval eyes. Normally it's just all black, so there's one on that side, just underneath the ears, and another one here. They're quite spread out.
Then we can do her little oval nose.
Yeah, and she's got an oval nose as well, so it's stretched out horizontally. So we draw that there. Like that.
I'm doing black nose.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. And then the next thing is whiskers. So she's got 3 whiskers on the side. So 1,
2, 3.
2,
3.
3. And then we do the same on the other side there
6,
as well.
you mean?
6 altogether, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so that's Hello Kitty. We've done the lines. And the next part is to
Colour
in. And we're back. So we've finished colouring them in. Now Hello Kitty, because she's white, is very easy to colour in, but if you want to, you can make it any colour you like. So you happy with your drawing?
Yes.
That's great. I think it looks wonderful. Yeah, so thanks for watching. That's Hello Kitty. Hope you follow along and have lots of fun. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.